Hello and welcome. This is a quick video to show you how to use channel breakouts, how to create subchannels, and how to do all of that using the group by function. You start here and you'll be editing your data. We'll use social media as an example. I want to break out my social media data into Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, rather than just having it as one channel. So there are two ways to do that. They both exist in advanced settings, and they're called group by and filter. This video is going to show you how to use group by. It's quite simple. The first thing you need to do is go into your social media, your primary parent channel, and advanced settings, and make sure that it is not a subchannel. Enable the toggle group feature, and then create a name for the grouping that you're creating. So if I'm breaking up my social media channels, I might call this group by platform. Now that that's created and I apply settings, I can now assign data to that group. So now I will add a new media factor. It will be a subchannel. We'll call it social platforms. Type is out of home, social media, and the group parent is by platform. I just created that. We're going to submit that. We're going to upload the data and copy it from the social media sheet that we already have. We're going to set the KPI to spend. And finally, we're going to go into group by and group by platform. Okay. Now this is going to create an individual subchannel for each unique entry in this column. Okay. The only thing is that if you have exported this sheet and you have 15 different platforms, it will separate all 15 of them, so things will get quite cluttered. So yeah, that's how you use the group by function. If you have 15 subchannels, you might want to consider grouping a few of those together to make it into 4 or 5. And if you were to do that, then you would use the filter option, and that will be in a separate video. Thank you.